Hello, we all seen DeepSeek OCR and how they maintain the precision with less token usage. I tried to implement the same method DeepSeek team used to compress an entire code base into a visual atlas. The tool starts by tree setter as it extracts all the functions, methods, classes, components, CSX, and turns them into patterns and how they work together, like how function works inside the GSX and how GSX is building a component. Then these patterns is encoded into tiles, where each tile has its own legend, representing each tile and textual representation, alongside a JSON manifest and coordination for each pattern. For the use cases, let's take the first example, scraper mode, where the explorer will take the atlas alongside the legend and metadata and look for all the skills inside this atlas, or the code-based representation. Then, for each skill, it will ask the inspector to look precisely into each skill, where the inspector will loop itself searching for common parts of the code that related to this skill or convention. After finishing looping, it will take all the analysis to the node taker, where the node taker will write TDLR for this analysis as a skill.md. Then the loop starts again,